Welcome to my channel Crypto Retriever Learning. I am Sam and we are going to learn about NFT. Meet Tony, an aspiring painter. He wants to hold an online exhibition of his digital artwork, but he's concerned that his paintings won't be secure because anyone could easily duplicate or forge them. Fortunately, his friend Stefan came to the rescue with the idea of NFTs. Stefan suggested that Tony purchase NFTs for all of his paintings because NFTs are trustworthy, easily transferable, and would also ensure that he maintains ownership rights over his artworks. Tony was unfamiliar with NFTs, so Stefan took the initiative to explain them. NFTs turn digital assets into unique items by creating a distinct digital signature that defines ownership of the assets. They can be bought and sold for real money, cryptocurrency, or other assets, just like a non-fungible token, NFT. Non-fungible tokens are unique and cannot be exchanged for other tokens, and each NFT represents a specific asset owned by a particular person. On the other hand, fungible tokens are interchangeable and can be divided into smaller units of the same value. For instance, a $100 bill is fungible because you can exchange it for 10 $10 bills or 100 $1 bills. In contrast, the painting of the Last Supper is non-fungible because it cannot be replicated in bulk. Even if it is copied, it will not be authentic, which makes it unique and non-interchangeable. Each NFT contains distinct information, such as the owner of the digital asset and the seller, making them unique and easily verifiable. Because it's impossible to forge such a certificate, it secures the originality of Tony's paintings. After learning what an NFT is, Tony was curious about how it works. Essentially, an NFT creates a blockchain-based digital certificate for digital collectibles, including games, music, art, and more. This certificate provides a unique identity for his artwork. The underlying technology and programming language used by NFTs are the same as other cryptocurrencies, such as blockchain and the programming language Ethash or script. NFTs primarily exist on Ethereum blockchain, a distributed public ledger that records all transactions. However, NFTs are quite distinct from other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum are fungible tokens, which means that if you trade Bitcoin or Ethereum for one another, you will receive the same value or item in return. On the other hand, NFTs are unique tokens. If you try to trade them, you may end up with something completely different in your hands. CryptoPunks is a notable example of NFT. It allows you to purchase, sell, and store 10,000 collectibles, with proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain. After exploring how NFTs work, Tony was convinced and purchased NFTs for all of his paintings. As a result, his artwork was protected against any kind of forgery and was given a specific value. This also contributed to increased sales since anyone could easily purchase the artwork without any concerns. In the end, his exhibition was a complete success. NFTs have proven to be a boon in the lives of many, including Jack Dorsey, the CEO and co-founder of Twitter, who sold his very first tweet as an NFT, and Vignesh Sundaresan, famously known as Metakovan, who bought an NFT worth $69 million. Due to its increasing popularity, people are now willing to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for NFTs. NFTs have also provided media exposure and special opportunities for aspiring artists like Tony on social media, promoting copyright originality of digital assets and providing new opportunities for art platforms. Many experts in the crypto industry say that around 40% of new crypto users will use NFTs as their entry point, indicating its growing popularity. NFTs could represent a significant part of the digital economy in the future. We hope you enjoyed this information. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates on the latest technologies and trends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative content from learning videos.